Grifkies, and today I'll be playing some more Gotham City Impostors, and I know I haven't posted videos in like forever, and I deleted like half of them. Please forgive me. A lot of stuff happened, and stuff that I won't get into, but let's just play some old Gotham City Impostors and have some fun. Okay, so we are Team Bats. Let's get into this. Okay. Anyways, hope you guys are having a wonderful day. And I am kind of sick, so sadly I am sick, so. But still, it doesn't mean we can't kick butt, so let's do this. I'm kind of scared they're gonna come jumping up here. I guess we're fighting in here. Coming from there? I think they are. Looks like it. For the most part. Dead. Yeah! Okay. Hey! Hey! You don't kill my teammate. Where did you go? Hey! You're bigger than me! No! Oh, crap. That's not fair! You know, he was bigger than me. That's not fair. Well, actually, I can't say that's not fair. Because it, you know, if he has a good gun and a character, I guess. Whatever. Too OP, though, man. I keep just killing the same guy. That guy's just gonna hate me. By the way, if you have me sniffling, then you know why. Because you know I'm sick. So many guys. No. Nah. Nah, nah. Nah, 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 nah. So many flippin' guys. Oh, I'm scared. I'm scared. Oh, Lee, Molly. This guy jumps like a, I don't know. There you go, die. Yes. Yes. Hey. Hey. Dude, come on. Hello, I don't want to hurt you. Hello. Where'd he go? I think he looked. He ran. Ooh. Kill that guy! Yeah! I keep picking on that one guy. I'm a jerk. Okay. Not. They're getting. I just got sniped. I'm at over. Yeah! Get that girl. Hey, girl. No! I don't have anything to kill you with. I only have this and an ammo. Oh. Come on. Get that guy. I can only get assists with this thing. Kill me! Thank you. Okay. You know, I need to get a gun that has more ammo, you know? Okay. Where's the little retards? Oh no! Guess I'm the retard. Okay. Come on. Where are you? Right there. He's right there. Yeah. Shot him on the butt. Let's do this. Let go. Okay. Over there. What are you doing? What are you doing? Hi. Okay. They're all in there, I believe, so. Oh, they are all in there. And I'm dead. Okay, no, actually, I need a. Let's see. Actually, let's get a shock thingy in there. And also get another blow up thingy in there. Okay. Okay. Oh! That scared the absolute crap out of me. Okay. Where? Where is he? No, he blew up. That was a great sight. Let's get up here. Get on this lamp or whatever this thing is. Get this lamp. Come out. Come out. Come on. Ah! Ah! Okay, I knew I was gonna die. I knew I was gonna die. There's too many of them. No! Ah! He stole my prize box. Okay. Oh! Like as soon as I saw him, he just died. That was great. The guy with the rocket launcher needs to die. Oh! Oh, snap! Oh, snap! I'm gonna die. Okay. Yeah! Kill streak of 3. That's great. I'm gonna die. I need to get some health. Actually, I'm actually pretty good right now. Okay. Die! Kill streak of 4. Okay. Nice. Kill streak of 5. Ah! That guy killed me. Oh. What are you doing? You're not helping. Well, even though we're winning, you're not helping. Come on. Am I number 1? I'm number 2, I believe. Ah! Should have moved around more. His tactic is when he moves around, he's dodging everything that I'm throwing at him. So, where are they? I'm gonna come behind this guy and kill him and laugh my pants off. Okay. Dang it. Harley Quinn? The girl's name is Harley Quinn. Hey! Oh! Girl's name is Harley Quinn. Come out! Ow! That wasn't nice. That wasn't nice at all, people. Okay, I'm behind here, reload. Right now, see what's going on. I saw some little blue thingies, so I'm... Oh! What's with the flippin' parrot? To my face. What is that deal? Oh, I wanted to kill Harley Quinn. Whatever. What's the deal with the parrot? Like, seriously. You have an obsession with parrots? I'm gonna die. Okay, here we go. That guy is too overpowered. Yeah, I know, he's number 1. Well, on their team. I didn't really look at my team. Okay, you know, don't come in here. They're probably on the other side, and I'm being retarded. What's with the parrot? The parrot's not cool. What's with the parrot? Like, seriously, are they obsessed with those animals? I think they really need to have that checked. See if they're obsessed with parrots. Nope, nobody's in there. Oh! Yep, somebody wasn't there. Oh, I know, I blew him up. Never mind. They made it to where you, like, slip off of this thing, and it's kind of annoying. Here. Anybody over here? Nope. I'm good. I think they're all fine on the other side, which maybe we can, like, sneak up behind them or something. Hey, look! AFK girl! Yay! Oh! Hey! Parrot is not cool! What? Look! Look at the parrot! Look at the parrot! She's obsessed with flippin' parrots! What is with the parrot? Really? Really? Okay, I want to know, why all parrot? Why? So, why? Why is there a parrot? I need to heal, man. That girl is annoying as crap. Die. There you go. Okay. Now we are with peace we are in peace with the world. Oh yay, we won! I think I got 3rd place. Yeah, I did. Okay. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed that episode. If you did, hit the like button for more and subscribe if you haven't already. And I'll talk to you guys later. Bye bye.